Hey, what's up guys? This is Joe from Phandroid. Today we're taking a look at 3 different games, all by the same developer. They're called Pivot, Bong, and Righty Tighty, and they're all made by a developer called Nickervision. And these games are very similar, as you can see just by the app icons. And I kind of think of them as material design games in the way that they're designed. They look really cool. So let's just hop into the first one here. This one's called Pivot. And they all have a very similar gameplay. So in this one, you're a white dot. You're avoiding these colored squares in the walls. You're the blue dot, and it constantly pivots in a circle. Every time you tap, it changes directions. And all you're trying to do is collect as many of these white dots as you can while avoiding all the obstacles. All right, I was only able to get to 2 there, and I failed. Let's try one more time. 1. Oh, ooh. 2. All right, now if I could actually get farther in the game, you would see that the size of the obstacles get bigger and stuff like that. So it's really fun, and these all have Google Play Games support, so you can get achievements and see your rankings. So I don't think I've played this one very much. I only have 3 as my high score. So let's try the next one. This one's called Bong. This one might be my favorite one. So in this one, you're the white dot again, trying to collect, and then you're avoiding these colored squares. So in this one, you're a green dot, and you're going back and forth. Every time you get to one end and collect the dot, you get a point. And when you tap, you slow down, and that's what you can use to avoid the obstacles. Just like that. Let's see. So now we got the bigger blue obstacles, which are going to make things a little bit more difficult. Oh, and screwed it up. So yeah, I like this one a lot more. This one's really addictive. Sorry. I think my high score in this one is pretty good, 31. So that's that one. And let's check out the last one, which is called Righty Tighty. This one is a little bit like Pivot. So you're going to be collecting these white dots and avoiding the obstacles once again. But in this one, after you collect the dot, you have to take it to the goal, like I just did there. And as you're, the longer that you're away from the goal, or the longer that you take to collect a white dot, you're going to notice that I get bigger. And that makes it harder for you to avoid the obstacles. So the red dot is growing and growing and growing, and once I bring it to the goal, it shrinks back to its normal size. And in this one, the goal will actually start moving around, and that will make things harder too. And the obstacles will get bigger once again. Let's see what my high score is in this one. 10, not bad. So these are all free games, and they have a few ads in them, but not much. And they're called Pivot, Bong, and Righty Tighty. They're very well designed games, very simple games, and very fun games. So try them out if you're into that sort of thing. Thanks for watching, guys.